We're going to take you through the simple steps to set up and install the Juno AI portfolio of products. Before we get started, please review the installation instructions and quick start guide, which can be found along with your Juno AI Downlight. Let's get started. Put on your safety glasses. Make sure to turn power off at the circuit breaker. If you'd like to use the E26 socket adapter, just screw in the adapter to the base socket inside the housing. Then, for the LED connector, simply plug the orange LED connector from Juno AI to the mating LED connector inside the housing. Hook one side of the torsion spring, the side opposite of you, in the torsion spring holder, and bed the opposite side toward the holder and hook inside. Ensure the wires do not get pinched. Push the fixture up into the recessed can slowly. Once complete, turn power back on. Next up, get the Juno AI app. Download from the App Store or Google Play. Launch the Juno AI app. On the welcome screen, select Register to create a login, and then follow the in-app instructions to connect Juno AI to your network. Once complete, you should see the Connection Successful message confirming the Juno AI Lite is connected. Select Sign in to use Alexa to connect to your Amazon account. And that's it. You're ready to explore all the possibilities of Juno AI. For further information, please visit www.juno-ai.com/support.